In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block adult websites permanently on Brave browser. By the end, your browser will use a trusted family-safe filter so adult content is blocked automatically without extra extensions or complicated setups. Start by opening the Brave browser on your computer. Once Brave is open, look to the upper right corner of the window and click the menu icon. It looks like three horizontal lines. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to Brave's Control Center where we'll make a few quick adjustments that lock in safer browsing. On the left side of the settings page, click Privacy and Security. This section holds the tools that manage what Brave blocks and how it protects your connection. Next, click Security. You're now in the place where we'll enable filtering at the network level, which is more reliable than simple site lists. First, make sure Standard Protection is selected. This option gives you balanced protection without adding extra data sharing, and it's the recommended baseline for most people. Keeping this on ensures the rest of the settings work as intended. Now, find the setting labeled Use Secure DNS. Turn this toggle on. Secure DNS is the key to this method. It changes how your browser looks up website addresses, sending those lookups to a provider that can block adult and harmful content before the page even loads. This approach is hard to bypass, works in regular and private windows, and doesn't rely on remembering to keep an extension enabled. After turning it on, you'll see an option to select a DNS provider. Open the list and choose Clean Browsing, Family Filter. This provider is designed specifically for family-safe browsing. With the family filter selected, adult content, explicit domains, and many proxy or VPN bypass domains are blocked at the source. It also typically enforces safe search on major search engines, adding an extra layer of protection. That's it. From now on, when Brave tries to load a site that falls under adult or explicit categories, the request will be blocked automatically by Clean Browsing's family filter. This works only inside Brave, which is perfect if Brave is your main browser. If you use other browsers, repeat these same settings there to keep the experience consistent. If you ever need to adjust the strictness later, you can return to the same security page and pick a different provider. But for a strong, set it and forget it solution, the Clean Browsing family filter is a solid choice. Your changes are saved immediately, so you can close settings and browse with confidence.